Hi friends, welcome to my channel Tinu Lovingly Art. In this video, we are going to paint Goddess Saraswati using oil pastels. Firstly, I am making the basic sketch for the painting. Outline of the painting is available in the link given below in the description. If you need, you can use it for your painting. I used peach color for the darker skin tone and medium yellow for the lighter skin tone areas, and I have used white for the highlight areas. After painting the colors, I have used an earbud to blend in all the colors evenly. While using earbud to blend in the colors, use gentle pressure. Don't give too much pressure while blending. As I think it's not bright enough, I am adding one more layer of colors. Repeating the same process of adding on colors and blending them for all the skin areas. Adding on light brown color in the neck region to show the shadows under the chin. Add on the colors until you feel it is vibrant enough. Repeating the same process of adding on colors and blending them using earbuds for the hand and the leg areas. I have used light green for the saree, and for darker shadows in the saree I have used darker shade of green, and deep purple for the saree borders. For the blouse I have used deep purple and maroon, and I have blended in both the colors. For the lotus, I have used deep rose color for the darker areas of the lotus. Used pink for the lighter areas and white for the highlights, and I have used earbuds to blend in all the colors for each petals in the lotus. For V-neck, I am using dark brown for the darker areas and lighter brown for the lighter areas, and I blend in both using the earbud. I am using lemon yellow for the jewelry parts. With brown, I define the outline for the jewels. I use red color and rose oil pastel for the lips. With black, I mark the eyebrows and the eye areas. Defining the outline of the nose using lighter brown color pencil. And I use the same to define the face outline. Defining all the skin areas using the same lighter shade of brown color. I am using brown and black oil pastel for the hair. I am using color pencil for the border areas to prevent the oil pastel from entering into other colors. I am using white and grey color for the duck and blending them both. Brown color pencil for the beak, and with grey pencil I mark the outline of the duck. For the hollow behind the goddess head, I leave it white, and I use purple and blue shades to fill in the background. With white and blue oil pastel, I make the water area under the goddess leg. If you like my video, kindly like and share. Kindly subscribe to my channel. Press on the bell icon to get notified on new videos. Do share me your views on this video in the comment section. Thank you for watching the complete video.